Hello guys, welcome back. And this is um this is week 3 of the month of June. This is week 3, and we have a lot of amazing news this week. Um, on Monday, not strong, but 130 we should be expecting some push. On Tuesday, 130. On Wednesday, 130. On Thursday, no USD move. On Friday, um, no USD move. So we have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to have so much push in the market. Okay, if that it is, let's see. That means we need to be active Monday to Wednesday, and for me, I feel like Thursday and Friday is the best market days to trade. But for what it is, let's look into how we could benefit from Monday to Wednesday. So let's go into gold and let's see what we have on the monthly time frame. Let's go back to the monthly time frame. Now to the monthly time frame, gold has been bullish and we are expecting a new higher highs. We've not concluded with it because we need a red candle to signify that we are done with the high highs and we look for a retracement, but for now we've not seen any retracement, so meaning we are still pushing the buyers to the upside. So weekly we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and we're able to make a higher low here. So we're expecting a new higher highs in the market. And for me, market close Morningstar, which is a significant candlestick for me. I love Morningstar candle a lot because it gives me a lot of presence in the market. This just tells me that market is going to push a little bit higher. So rest assured that we are strongly buying this week. So what I'm expecting is candle open and we boom out. We take out this guy here first. This guy here, we need to take it out. So let's go down to the daily and let's see. So I'm looking forward to taking out 3005. Expecting 35 to be taken out. You can see we have this strong impulsive move 1 2 3, which was a good one, but we need to break out of this. So this will be our next zone for buyers, as this zone is responsible for breaking of this old high on a daily time frame. So if we complete this high by taking out of this, we should come back to this zone. And if we don't complete this high, that means we're coming back here to get more buyers involved before taking out this zone. So I'm looking forward to first taking out this high before coming back for this continuation. Why? Because on the weekly has given me a strong continuation candlestick, which is the morning star, which signifies that a lot of buyers are in the game. But all the same, market still remains the director, as we only trade what we see. From what I'm seeing that this guy has to go from a weekly standpoint of view. So from a weekly standpoint of view, market is approaching a new high, meaning for the next weeks we are supposed to take out this high and form a new higher high. So let's use a trend base to just have a view of what are we expecting on where price might possibly go. So trend base is just saying that, look at it, 3008. That's what trend base is telling me. Trend base is telling me that the next price could be in this area, which is fine, which I'm also looking into. I'm looking into this zone here. I'm looking into this zone here. Let me just use one black like that, and no background. I don't want background. Yeah, good. And also let's push it to the right hand side. Good, so that I could. So trend base is just telling me that this is normal zone to see buy setups here, and this is where I should be looking. So let me readjust this. This is my previous zone. Let me readjust it down to this zone here. Okay, which is around 3.8. So hopefully we should be looking to go down to make a new high over here, which just is as expected. I'm looking for more buys. So if we can see this close bullish this week, possibility of having a red candle is like 30%. I'm not looking for this week to close with a red candle. I'm looking for this week to close with a green candle, at least close above this guy here. So this just gives me a completeness that I'm looking for a new higher high, higher low, then higher high, continuation of the leg. So let's go down to daily. Daily is also in the zone. After price tapped into the higher lows, we break to higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So higher highs expected. The higher high expected here is from a weekly standpoint of view, which is to take out these 3.5. So from a weekly standpoint, I'm looking for continuation of buy candles down to 3,500. Take it out, give us a new high before coming down. So I'm expecting a bullish candle to close on Monday morning and possibly on Tuesday morning also. Not morning, on Monday I'm expecting a Monday close to be bullish, Tuesday close to also be bullish, then probably Wednesday we should start looking for retracement, or Thursday. But all the same, the week has to close bullish. If the week has to close bullish, then this guy is the draw on liquidity that we are looking to take out to form a new high. So expectation, let's take a trend base to see from this to this. What do we have? Okay, price came into our zone. Expectation here is, you see, is draw on liquidity here is 3.5. The draw on liquidity is saying in here that is 3,501. So I'm looking forward to 3,005 as my draw on liquidity, because price needs to complete that leg before coming back for retracement. So hopefully I'm looking to see buyers in this game. So 4 hour continue the same. This was the previous higher low, and we have a rejection here, which was from this rejection here, but price was able to use this rejection to break out from this high. So this was the area of concentration, and price rejected back into that area and formed a W pattern to push price back to the upside, which was a good one. Was a good entry around here after the close of this candle. Pam, then price go after the close of this, pam, after the close of this, pam, after the close of this, pam. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 entry from a 4 hour standpoint of view, which was not bad. Price Presently, this is also a continuation setup for further buy setups. So good one from gold. I think gold 4 hour is a little bit more juicy. I'll probably not look for lower confirmation on gold. I will stick to 4 hour confirmation on gold because I realize that gold has a lot of sweet setups on 4 hour. For me, I usually like to go as low as 1 hour, but on the 1 hour there's a lot of liquidity that was swept. There's a lot of liquidity that was swept on 1 hour, which was uh, way for um, for tight stop loss. A lot of liquidity was, for example, I was in this entry here and I didn't know. When I went to bed, I braked even, and I wasn't up until this was around 8-9 London session that came in here to take me out, and price moved. So the entry I got here was failed because this price took it out. So I didn't see this because this one was also night time. I was asleep. Then I saw this 12 to 1. I entered this and I'm stuck in this. So you can imagine the 1 hour entries compared to the 4 hour entries. The 4 hour entries are smooth entries. First rejection, second rejection. I got a entry here. After this candle successfully break out here, I got another entry. My stop here. Then we have this push again. I got another entry. My stop here. Then we have this one again. I got another entry. My stop here. Presently this entry stop at the bottom here, so it feels more reliable on 4 hour than on 1 hour, but all the same I'm looking for buy setups to 3-5 this Monday through Tuesday. So I see you guys during the week, and I believe you guys are having a successful week. Yes, let's keep praying for those in Iran, those in Gaza, those in Israel and Russia and Ukraine. It's the trumpet call, but let's just send our loves and our prayer to them as they are in lots of pain presently. My heartfelt condolence to everyone in Gaza, everyone in Ukraine, everyone in Israel, and everyone in Iran. God created all of us, so hate is just trying to divide, but the fulfillment must come. God has already told us about this. So I'll see you guys next week. Love you guys. Bye for now.